Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and manage inventory for multiple warehouses in Odoo. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Odoo website right here, odoo.com, if you have not already. So you go there, and from here this is going to be the main page you're greeted by, from where we can get started with logging into our account. So if you do not already have an account, you can just go and create one. If you have one, just go ahead and log in normally. So after logging in, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From this home page we can get started. So here at the top of the screen you're going to have the configuration tab and your site settings, from where we can get started managing our website. So here we have the official Odoo documentation page where we can go and take a look at how to manage warehouses. So in Odoo, a warehouse is the actual building and place in which company items are stocked. So multiple warehouses can be set up in Odoo and the user can create moves between warehouses. So basically guys, what you can do is get started with the configuration. You're going to go to the configuration options right here at the top of the screen and open up your settings, and then you're going to click the enable storage locations option. So you're going to see the warehouse option if you have a store or a website that is related to a store that you can have supply. And currently I have a rental agency, so I do not have a warehouse, but you're going to see that option right here. You go ahead and add your storage locations directly into Odoo, from where you can get started following the rest of the steps to set up your warehouses, and that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.